The Meghalaya government has temporarily suspended the Physical Efficiency Test (P.E.T) for recruiting sub-inspectors, drivers and guardsmen due to heavy rain. Cabinet Minister Kamingwan Imbon announced that the applicants who took the P.E.T on October 2nd and 3rd will retake the test as poor conditions of the ground had impacted their performance. The recruited process, conducted by the Home Guard and Civil Defence Directorate, aims to fill various posts including guardsman, sub-inspector and driver. Applicants will be notified about the rescheduled P.E.T date.
It's come around on the 2nd and the 3rd, yesterday only. Then I got a lot of complaints from the candidate regarding that playground. That's why this morning I called all officers. We went for inspection around 6:30 like that this morning to the playground. When we reached there, we saw by own eyes the playground is not fit. Then we called a meeting, emergency meeting this morning only. We decided to stop this recruitment. We postponed this recruitment. Then after the rain stopped, then we'll inform to all the candidates through website, through phone call, when will be the date to start a new recruitment.